see, at least glance through these two notifications of UGC. One is the old one, 2009, amended in 2016. The other one is the latest academic integrity policy. Now, let us see to the screen that I have downloaded both document just for those who have not seen it. It has Hindi as well as English version. So, this is Hindi. What you are seeing is the Hindi version, and you can read it in Hindi. The date you can see here is like 2016, that is amended the same notification. This is MPhil and PhD regulation, in short we call it as. So, from here it is starting with English. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 eligibility criteria for PhD and duration of the PhD program, procedure of admission, allocation of research supervisor, how and what are the coursework or when it is to be completed. All these are mentioned in this research advisory board. So, it is a good thing you can read it on this, and ultimately when you come to the last portion of it, you will see deposit with InflimNet. This is the clause number 13, which tells that one of the soft copy within 30 days is to be hosted in as per the. So, this is what is the notification says about it on PhD notification. Now, the other one is the academic integrity notification, and in research ethics we are very serious and concerned about this notification, because many of the research things has to be dealt. So, what you are seeing in the Hindi version. Now, after that it starts from here. It is 23rd July 2018. The promotion of academic integrity and prevention of plagiarism in higher education institution, the regulation 2019, published in Gazette of India as an extraordinary. You can see here it is mentioned as extraordinary Gazette of India notification. Then you, as I mentioned, you can see the definitions of academic integrity, common knowledge, admission, and faculty who is plagiarism. So, here plagiarism, practice of taking source else, all are defined. That is why I am telling it is very important you read this notification. Then objective, which I discussed in my slide, duties, what are the things to be done, I have taken it from here from the notification. Curbing of plagiarism, what are the things to do. Then similarity check, what can be avoided, excluded. Then level of plagiarism, which we discussed. Then the committee, which I am mentioning about, the panel to be created in institutions. Then penalty 0, 1, 2. I have already discussed in detail the penalties of student, and there is another course that penalty if it is repeated again. Repeated means whatever is in the first level 40 to 50 level will give in the next level punishment. That is it. That means if a second time repeat time, if anybody copy the content is 40 to 60, his will be cancelled, because it will be treated in the next level like that. That is it. Then faculty also, penalty for faculty, that is also mentioned. So, this is exclusively, the first one is exclusively on thesis and dissertation if penalty, if plagiarism is found in thesis, and second one tells any publications. Here, because you can't publish cancel a degree, so there should not be an annual increment will be cut for faculty and withdraw it. If it is more than 60%, the supervisor he will not be allowed to supervise students and shall be denied 2 consecutive annual increment on level 3. So, this is there, and penalty of repeated is the next level higher. So, this is what is the notification in nutshell, which I have already discussed. So, I request you without fail, please read these notifications issued for your knowledge as well as for helping others. So, with this words, I stop the discussion of the policy, which is the national policy. When UGC make it, it becomes a national policy for higher education. That is to be followed in letter and spirit. So, I do hope that you will not deviate from the policies, or you will not commit any kind of academic crimes or unethical activity. So, the mantra of being genuine researcher is nothing but simply be honest, simply be sincere. So, honesty and sincerity will give you academic integrity. So be honest, and be honest in the research, also be honest in the life. Thank you very much for patiently listening this module.